Today, Usmart Makosi uzosifundisa Hosanna Spirit.
Yeah.
I've heard about Hosanna Spirit, but I was like, you know what, man? I want to call Smart Makosi to come and educate me and the Munchies. Please, can you just tell us what is Hosanna Spirit?
The Hosanna, ubunyanga, impande yobunyanga. The origin yayo isemanzini but iphila phezu komhlaba. Impande yobunyanga but i-origin yayo isemanzini but yona iphila phezu komhlaba. So the physicality of it, we see it phezu komhlaba because iyathwaselwa abantu abathwasayo, abantu abalapha with this kind of a spirit. But the origin yaso, it's a marine spirit. But when we speak about inzunza, sikhuluma about a collective emimoya semanzini that actually make up what you call inzunza. I'll make an example for you, Patanani. Upalisa nabantwana abayi-5, right? The color yakapalisa, it's black as the mother. Upalisa unomntwana okuthiwa umndiki, umndawu, isithunywa, abalozi, mhlambe namanono, right? Ikhala yakapalisa bani? Black, sharp. Umntana uma ngamazi igama lakhe but wazi umamakhe, umbiza ngani mombona? Umntana kapalisa, right? Ubiza umntana kapalisa up until umntana azakutshela igama lakhe. Then that's when uzoqala ubize lo mntana loyo ngegama lakhe. So people baye bathi mabebona upalisa bacabange ukuthi banopalisa, but immediately sebaqala bahlambulula bageza baphakamisa bese labantwana bayaqala bayazipresenta ngamakhala wabo. Majority of us, 90% of the LGBTI community, we are spiritually gifted. Kurre ukuthola umuntu who's not gay, who's gay and not spiritually gifted. And ngisho nalabo abacabanga ukuthi abekho gifted, they are actually gifted. It's just that ama gifts aba wasebenza ngokuthi aze afune ukuthi umuntu ayothwasa and something like that. Here's the thing patterns zokufundisa yena. Khona uphathanani as a higher self, ne? Then khona uphathanani as a physical self. Labo phathanani laba bayi-2 baphila emzimbeni oyi-1. Njengoba uphathanani so. The higher self, Patanani, knows the truth about who you are. The physical Patanani, it is created according to the archetypes, like iskolo. You know your dislikes and likes, but when you ask Patanani, why are you gay? And then Patanani, I was born this way. Akuphenduli lo Patanani lo, the higher self. Kuphendula the physical Patanani.
Yes.
Because agazi ngempela vele ukuthi why was he born gay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your chef. Good morning, darling.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
Oh my goodness. Someone.
Ngiyaphila wena.
Yo.
Hi. We are here.
Like long time.
Long time.
The last time it was a panel.
Yes.
Then I was like, you know what? Let me call my friend to come and sit with me, to come and educate, like Kudala.
And do what we do best.
I think it was season 16.
Or season 16,
I was
yes.
shooting season 17.
No, I haven't.
How are you?
I'm fine. And yourself?
I'm fine, Makosi.
We're
And
good.
thank you so
We're
much
good.
for joining me. And the Munchies, of course.
Who's the guy?
It's
Who's
not
the
about
guy?
me alone,
Who's
it's
the
about
guy?
them.
Who's the guy?
Please
That's the
introduce
guy.
yourself. You know morning shoots are not good. I don't like
Yes,
them.
yes.
But okay, please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you? Because Munchies and Thoughts is growing every day.
Yes. Emakosini siyakhuleka. I go by the name of Smart Makosi Sizwe. Ngiyisazi. I'm a numerologist and I'm a spiritual teacher. For those of you who would like to get hold of me, you can get me on my social platforms, Smart Makosi Sizwe, and all social platforms. 061 23 06 479 061 23 06 479. Thank you.
Oh wow! Thank you so much for coming back.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
You know, every time I'm sitting with you, then
Yeah.
I'm worried.
Yay!
I'm
Hayi,
worried.
ngoba siyashibisa ntombazane.
Ngoba angazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakala. Ngoba ngazi ukuthi itafula lami lizophenduka libheke phezulu or what. And the munchies, of course, you know.
Yes.
You know, these people, they always give their thoughts, but it's good.
Yes.
Because the show labels ukuthi
Munchies
munchies
and
and
thoughts.
thoughts.
Yes.
So wonke ama-thoughts wenu amkelekile. And yeah, I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you that is supporting the Munchies and Thoughts. Share what Patana Mbata. We are growing Facebook.
We are growing.
New family
New
Facebook.
Facebook,
I love them so much.
They have thoughts. They have thoughts.
Okay,
those
I don't
ones.
know. I don't know about that. And of course, TikTok, I want to say thank you so much. YouTuber. As well on YouTube, we are growing.
Yes.
But you know what I've noticed? I think YouTube is slowly in our country. I don't know. But that's what I can say. Or maybe it's because of the language that we're using. But anyway, we clearly does seem to is does the memoir.
It's African spirituality.
Noma ngabe kuthiwa awulwazi lolo kaGeorge kodwa ukhona ukuthi uthi bekhuluma ngalokho. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Let me not waste time. Today uSmart Makhosi uzosifundisa Hosanna Spirit.
Yeah.
I've heard about Hosanna Spirit, but I was like, you know what, man? I want to call Smart Makhosi to come and educate me and the munchies. Please, can you just tell us what is Hosanna Spirit?
Some they call it Hosanna, some they call it Hosanna.
Okay.
So it's written in H, some is written in W.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Have you ever heard, I think we've heard it before, kuthiwa kukhona inzunza emhlophe nenzunza emnyama.
Okay.
Now, the Hosanna, it's the black side of it. Okay. Now, we need to understand first, Patanani, Oguti, when we speak about the Hosanna spirits, we are not speaking about umoya oyiwani, ozimele wena ngokwawo as a singular, but instead we are talking about a collective yemimoya eyenza into ebukeka ngazathi umoya oyiwani. But it's actually a collective yemimoya. Now, the Hosanna, ubunyanga, impande yobunyanga, the origin yayo isemanzini but iphila phezu komhlaba. Impande yobunyanga but i-origin yayo isemanzini but yona iphila phezu komhlaba. So the physicality of it, we see it phezu komhlaba because iyathwaselwa abantu abathwasayo abantu abalapha with this kind of a spirit. But the origin yaso, it's a marine spirit. Now, we cannot box the spirit and say it belongs to this particular tribe, yabantu, even though lo moya lona siwaze ngamandebele, the Ndebele people from Zimbabwe, also the Kalanga people, Bakhalag and all of that, part of Botswana people and some of them. Siwaze ngawo, but that doesn't mean ukuthi lo moya belongs to these people or these people own lo moya lo. For a fact, we can actually say asiwazi igama lawo ukuthi uyini, because of the spirit didn't introduce itself and said I am the Hosanna, but because siwaze ngalabantu labantu babasitshilile ukuthi we named the spirit ukuthi it's the Hosanna, then we take that siqhubeka nawo and all of that. So since buyimpande yobunyanga ephila phezu komhlaba, there's a huge connectation yalo moya lona nobukhosi, because most of the people who have this particular spirit, they will dream of people that are in leadership positions, but more of amakhosi, like King Zwelithini, people that are in kingship and chieftaincy and stuff like that. And they are also known to be rainmakers. One of them that it's kind of well known, it will be like your Queen Muchachi from the Balobedu kingdom. Mm-hmm. She was one of the people that has this particular spirit because she's a rainmaker. Mm-hmm. Now, we have to understand, Oguti, the Hosanna, it's a very traditionally and culturally rooted spirit. Sisebenza ngokwedlozi, sisebenza ngokwesintu. That's how it is rooted. It has nothing to do with isonto. It has nothing to do with religion and stuff like that, but it is very much culturally rooted. But it being culturally rooted and traditionally rooted, it doesn't mean ukuthi we cannot convert it siyithathe siyilethe ngapha ka religion ka esontweni. It is very much possible for one to do that. And I'll make an example for you. Now, since it's a very culturally rooted kind of a spirit, it has a certain particular color that it uses. It uses the black color.
Yeah.
Most people, they would wear the black color. And what is the reason? Why does it choose the black color? I'll make an example for you. When you read the Bible, it says, uNkulunkulu mayidala izulu nomhlaba wadala umhlaba athi umhlaba wawembethwe ubumnyama kwakugcwele ubumnyama but ukukhanya kwakungekho kusho ukuthi ubumnyama babukhona emanzini babukhona emlilweni babukhona emoyeni babukhona phezulu komhlaba babembethe lokho. So if the Hosanna spirit, it uses the black color, it's actually trying ukulahla umkhondo ukulahla umkhondo ukuthi abantu bangazi ukuthi where does the spirit actually gets the power yokuthi inise lemvula. Abantu abanalo moya lo bawathola apha amandla because since kuna imvula, people would think ukuthi okay, so kusho ukuthi amandla asemanzini, then they try to temper namanzi, but little did they know ukuthi you also get the power emoyeni, you also get the power in the earth element, so is the fire element. So the spirit, the black color, it's actually trying to hide hopatilwe siphiri salamandla lawa salomoya lokuthi kungaziwa ukuthi uthola apha amandla. Now the hierarchy of it, it's that since it uses the black color, if it gives you the black garments, you can't wear this garments phakathi kwabantu. You can't awukazi uvela uvumbuke ugcoka black phakathi kwabantu. Let's say mhlambe even if purely somebody then you decide to go to the church using that garment, you can't, because since it's a cultural and traditionally rooted, ngokwesinto into nento inomthetho wakhona ngendlela kumele uyisebenzise ngakhona and inendlela ukuthi amandla khona aphakamiswa kanjani. So since it's a very secretive spirit ngendlela singakhona, it means ukuthi even ngisho nesambatho onikezwe sona lesi salomoya lo sinendlela esisetshenziswa ngakhona, sinemfihlakalo yayo, sinamandla waso are very unique and sinendlela kumele usebenzise ngakhona. So that is why most of people who have black garments that they are given by this particular spirit abayisebenzisi phakathi kwabantu, but they use it secretly eindaweni zabo. That is where also Gereka spirit comes in. But I'm not going to dwell deep into that one. That's where it also comes in, because even the church in itself, or even Insebenzelo in itself, it has the hidden power. Ipatile spirit. Same applies to how the spirit works. Upatile spirit amandla wale, because of if the power can be exposed, thina singabantu esiphila emhlabeni, we're not ready for it. We're not ready for it, and somehow we'll try to tamper with it and try to use it ngenye indlela engamelanga besisebenzisa ngakhona. So each and every practice in itself, it has the secret and the sacredness of it. Engamelanga yaziwe ngabantu abangekho ngaphakathi kuyona. So since I've said ukuthi the Hosanna spirit iyimpande ngokwayo yobungoma yobunyanga, it means ukuthi there is that sacred side of it ekhona ekumele iremainwe ifihliwe.
Wow. So now I heard you speaking about inzuza emhlophe nemnyama.
Yes. Now I'm going to the white side of it.
Oh, now you were speaking about the black one.
Yes.
That's why you mentioned the black garment.
The black garment.
Okay, lovely.
Now, the Hosanna, it's an energist, or it's an alchemy spirit. That means it has power. Its power, it's mostly about the energy side of it. As much as siumoya osebenza ngobunyanga, asikho muchly rooted into A1 lapho ngathi khona no sebenzisa umuthi and stuff like that. No, it's not much into that. Yes, it uses umuthi, but it can use amatshe, it can use anything ingasebenzisa umlotha and anything, because of all the elements ziyasebenza ngaphansi kuyona. You understand? So if it's like that, it means, since it's an alchemy spirit, it means ukuthi nathi singabantu esinawo lo moya lo, we actually have the ability of converting the energy yalo moya. So ucele ukuthi since ukhona, can you be able ukuthi usebenze nakule ndlela le eso. That is when now the black color, it changes into white. The Hosanna isuka from ebunyangeni bayo ingena to the Christianity.
Oh, okay.
To the
okay,
religion
okay,
side.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so the black side, the black Zuza.
Yes.
It's Impande.
Impande
Yabangoma.
yobungoma.
Bese kuthi the white Zuza.
The white side.
Impande yesonto.
Yesonto.
Okay.
Now it gets to be convected manje uyasithatha ke manje ususicelela ngithi uyasithatha ke manje uyosenzani uyosifaka ngapha ngasesontweni. Now it gets to be the opposite of black. Now if it's like that, it means ukuthi, for example, ngizokwenzela example. Iliphi isonto that we can say it has the Hosanna, but they don't know that it has the Hosanna. Isonto lakashembe.
Okay, I get it. Yeah.
Isonto lakashembe. Umnazaretha. That is why people who have the Hosanna spirit, they would dream ubanikezwe umnazaretha. Twathatha na umnazaretha uhambe uyosebenzisa iya ngawe emanzini or uyokwenzani. You remember I told you ukuthi it has that connection with the kingship in itself.
Yes.
Ukhosi, unyazi. You get me?
Yes,
That's
yes,
where
yes,
it also,
yes.
that's where now you see the whiter side version of it. But still, the cultural side of it is sesekhona. Isonto lakashembe is muchly traditionally rooted. Lisaphethe usiko nesintu sawaZulu sisakufollowisha and uyakubona kusebenziswa or uyakubona kupractice ngaphakathi kwebandla. So it's the Hosanna but in the Christian side version of it.
Wow.
Ilapho ukuthola abantu bephiwa umnazaretha awusebenzisa nakhona the Hosanna doesn't communicate nawe directly like this. Kuba khona a certain particular ancestor or isithunywa or whatsoever esizoconnecta nawo lo moya lo. So if mhlambe uphiwe lo mnazaretha lo moya lokuya ngawe emanzini uconnecta nalesi sithunywa lesi sithunywa sikwazi ukudonsa uHosanna wakho, then wena nawo nikwazi ukuxhumana ngalendlela emele nixhumane ngakhona.
I just thought, so basically the Hosanna is a superior spirit that is above all other spirits. I don't know.
Not as such ukuthi mhlambe ngenze ukuthi singathi it's a powerful spirit enazo zonke, but it is part of the marine spirits. It's a combination because remember ukuthi akusumoya wodwa imimoya ehlangene that makes up this thing that we call a Hosanna sharp. And another thing Phatana that we need to ask ourselves, angithi we already now know ukuthi okay fine, the Hosanna it's mostly dominant into the Ndebele people and the Kalanga people and all of that. Does it mean ukuthi mina njoba ngumZulu or mina njoba nguMpedi I can't have this particular spirit? No, you can. But where do you find the connotation of it? Uhlangana kanjani naso? One of the spirits ezenza what we call the Hosanna, it's amakhosolwandle.
Okay.
Abanikazi baka purple. The purple color, not purple, sorry, the maroon garment.
Okay.
Now, amakhosolwandle, it's your bloodline ancestors. NgesiZulu sithi amathongo, akona amadlozi amathongo. Because of now, they are in the purest divinity state. Basekuphumuleni, sebalele, akusana lutho, angeke basafika bathi konke bahluphayo babacela ukwenzela imisebenzi and stuff like that. So they are part of your bloodline, la makhehla lawa nalezi salukwazi. And usually they come from starting from the 5th to upwards generation uqhubeka phezulu. So la makhehla lawa, since they are bloodline related to you, and then they make up what we call this Hosanna spirit. If you have these ancestors and they are operating then there's a higher chance that you can have a connotation to the Hosanna.
Okay. No, you can proceed. I just wanted to understand that because you were busy explaining the Hosanna. Remember, today I'm here to learn. So I'll have questions there and there. So that's why, because when I was asking you, Aguti, so is this the superior spirit? Because I'm listening to you,
yes,
whatever that you're saying. So I just wanted to get clarification on that, and for my match as well. But spirit.
Yes. Ukuthi futhi abanye abantu bayabacabanga ukuthi immediately you mention Inzunza. I'll mention Inzunza because it is it's what makes up this whole topic in itself. People they would think ukuthi ma mention Inzunza you are referring to Inkanyam, not Inkanyam, you are referring to Inkosazana, umnikazi wamanzi, what they usually dream and all of that. But when we speak about Inzunza, sikhuluma about a collective emimoya semanzi that actually make up what you call Inzunza. I'll make an example for you, Patanan. Upalisa nabantwana abayi-5, right? The color yakapalisa, it's black as the mother. Upalisa unomntwana okuthiwa umndiki, umndawu, isithunywa, abalozi, mhlambe namanono. right? Ikhala kapalisi bani? Black, sharp. Umntana uma ungamazi igama lakhe but wazi umamakhe, umbiza ngani mombona? Umntana kapalisa, right? Ubiza umntana kapalisa up until umntana azakutshela igama lakhe. Then that's when uzoqala ubize lo mntana loyo ngegama lakhe. So people baye bathi mabebona upalisa bacabange ukuthi banopalisa. But immediately sebaqala bahlambulula bageza baphakamisa bese labantwana bayaqala bayazipresenta ngamakhala wabo. Uthi no mina ngisithunya but ngisebenzisa ublue. No mina ngumndiki but ngisebenzisa upowder blue. No mina ngumndawukho but ngisebenzisa ublack or ngisebenzisa upurple or whatsoever. Akasazi ke manje umuntu ukuthi sekanani ke since le mimoya isiyaqala ke manje iyayichaza. Upalisa akasabonakali ke manje but sekubonakala abanikazi bomsebenzi balo bayaziveza nga11. Uyaqala ke manje uyambuza awushono ke unani ke manje since upalisa ungasamboni le mimoya siyaqala yini ke lo nayo since wona usiclaimile ukuthi unenzunza now usunani akasazi. It's very much important to understand because even the Hosanna in itself, you would see the black color and you'd automatically think, okay, nginenzunza or ngine Hosanna. Yes, you have it, but which spirit that makes up the Hosanna that is dominant? Wena. That actually connects you to this black. Esifuna ukuthi uconnect ngalo black lo. Probably amakhosi solwandle nawo. Mhlambi lamabutho wasolwandle lawasebenzisa upurple. Oh now, mhlamba abalozi basolwandle basebenzisa orange or now which dominant spirit? Then immediately you understand that dominant spirit. It's very simple for you. And masuqala usu understand so connect another dominant spirit. Uyasuka ublack. Kusala that particular spirit sona ngokwazi.
So it's me asking you now.
Okay.
So, do you think there are people abaphupha imbala emnyama or anything black bese canga ukuthi bayaloywa or mhlambe ukuthi bathule ngezilwane or any other things kanti cha ile mimoya le
iyazipresenta kuwena mntasekhaya and njengoba iloku ipresenta but iza as a group mawuqake mhlamba uthola ke lo black that's why mawuzonikezwa leso sambatho esiblack sinemthetho yokuthi sisebenzise kanjani sisebenzise emfihlakaleni yakho and mawuloku usebenzisa uloku yahlambulula mhlamba ngendlela ohlambulula ngakhona bese that particular spirit esidominant esifuna ukuconnecta nawo bese siyaqala siyaziveza ke sona ukuthi na mina ngikhona uthothi mhlambe nje nabalozi basemanzini abayisebenzisela uorange mntasekhaya abogogo bakho bakubonile ukuthi ubhizi uyakhala ngemsebenzi stuff like that gogo akafike masoconnecte naye phathanani ufunani uthi anginamsebenzi and all of that agnes because abalozi basemanzini they are all about your well-being. That's what they're all about.
My manchis, I hope you are still enjoying the episode with Usmati Makhosi. I just learned something. I'm sure whoever that is watching ekhaya uzovumelana nami. Kunabantu abaningi thoba nezilwane, balala nezilwane or izilwane zenzani or ini kodwa abalapha izinto abakhona ukuzikhipha. I think
angithi vele ile mimoya yasemanzi. Remember when I said usually when they come baziveze ngocansi or something like that. That's when now you dream people that are naked. Uphupha abantu abanaked bese ucabanga ukuthi uyaloya kanti actually they are uzibone wena unqunu kanti they are actually trying to tell you ukuthi you don't know your identity. That is why unqunu. So understand yourself. Hlangana nathi thina sizokutshela ukuthi wena ubani. Ilapho khona uzosibona usuqokile. When you dream having sex but uma ufika the sex in itself it doesn't feel dirty. But you could tell that I dreamt myself having sex and stuff like that. But let us connect. Remember that sex is about reproduction. You connect with the one person and then you give birth to what you're supposed to give birth. Bona bakuphathele wona bona bayazi mina bakunikeze. But let us give birth to what you are supposed to have. So umuntu avela abone kahle ukuthi cha ukuthi ngesilwane asilahle isilwane umuntu okoqala asilahle isilwane kwesithu but umangela ubona umuntu uyadlowa udlowa kanjani unesilwane how is it possible udlowa kanjani unonile
mara abanye bathi silahleki nje
then lapho kumele ubone khona ukuthi no akusisilwane khona into kumele ngihleke ikhona into kumele ngiyilungise because ilapho khona kumele ubone khona ukuthi no akusisilwane there's something that I need to fix here na that is actually part and parcel of the gift that I have or what I am supposed to because of even ngisho sleep paralysis pathanani that ufika ukhanywe something and all of that people would actually think ukuthi no man lana ngiathekwa ngemimoya or la kunesilwane silane nami stuff like that kanti it's actually how your marine spirit present itself and immediately you start aligning nayo bese yaphela yonke lento leyo sishone phi ke kwenzakaleni ngaso it's when now you need to know ukuthi no man spirituality is very broad spirituality is very fluid akusi inkinga ukuthi ngisho noma singathi sibhala i-curriculum phathanani sithi siyayibhala i-curriculum no sizofundisa ngento so kuzofika nomuntu onento very completely different but still it's the same thing but iza ngenye indlela ehluke ngenye indlela emangazayo. It's when now you need to understand ukuthi we must not, as healers, we must not be narrow-minded. Sibona into ngendlela eyodwa. Bese just because wena leli side awulazi bese cha mina ngikwazi lokho ayikho into efana naleyo. It's fluid. It's fluid. You understand? So yeah.
So tell me, will you agree with me when I say to you, so this spirit it rules other spirits?
Not entirely, but you see, sinamandla ukuba dominant kwimimoya ebusa phezulu komhlaba. Remember that impande yasemanzini angithi. So that means it's a marine spirit. So it has power to rule over imimoya that phakathi komhlaba njengamadlozi nje afuna ukuthwaselwa and stuff like that, afuna ukulungisela lapho nalapho. But if you have that, it has power to rule above that.
So the Hosana spirit iyathwaselwa nayo.
Yeah,
I just want to understand that point. Iyathwaselwa nayo.
Yes, you do.
Okay. No.
But
yeah.
Siyathwasela if isize kuwena ezimpande bunyanga, then you go through that. You go through the whole process, kugidwe kwenziweni, then you get to be initiated. And it's very important to find proper people who can do that because of bayabalwa abantu abasithwasile ngapha in the southern. You could find them in the Ndebele, in Zimbabwe and Mozambique and stuff like that. But ngapha bayabalwa. So it's very important to find people that can actually do that properly. But if you have it and then not that sona sifuna ukusebenza, but if you have it and then thothi mhlambe we are more much to the Christian side, niyasonta ekhaya nenza whatever, then there's a possibility that ungasincenga size ngapha, then masize ngapha angeke usithwasele.
Do you think we've got a lot of people who've got Hosana spirits but they don't know?
Yes, but they present themselves as amakhosi. So the umuntu wakhona uzocabanga ukuthi no nginamakhosi because the kingship that it is connotation with the Hosana. So umuntu would dream of a lot of leadership positions and stuff like that. People that are in leadership positions besabona nokushuthi nginamakhosi and all of that. But ama-garments wakhe lawa nawo yiwo azokutshela ukuthi no, yes, akhona lamakhosi which make up this Hosana spirit, but kahle nayo wena into nayo.
Yes, I read somewhere, somebody was saying this spirit doesn't come from your ancestors.
He could be right.
Okay.
He could be right because at the end of the day, isizwe samaNdebele sasinganawo amahosana mhla lo moya ubachuza ukuthi uzosipresenta ngabo thina. So you can't say claim it and say no sivela from emadlozini akithi. It's a universal spirit, it's a marine spirit. So asibasone sakini vele, asibasivele emadlozini akho. But if you have it kusho ukuthi unaso for a certain particular reason.
Okay. No, proceed. Educate us. I'm sure you prepared a lot about this. Mina, I'll throw there and there. Siseko Hosana spirit, my matches.
One thing that we need to understand about the Hosana in itself, as much as it can present itself using the white color, and then there's also a possibility that it can come to you, it present itself as umda wako wasemanzini. That's when now you find people dreaming of people that are wearing blue and white, or people that are wearing white and blue, something like that, but the connotation between the blue and white, it's there. Bese umuntu ahambe aye St. John acabanga ukuthi mhlambe unengelo yase St. John mele ayolungisa izinto khona kanti ilomda wakhe wasemanzini that she has to sort out awulungisele. And nakhona uzubone maye makumele alungise lo mdawo lona kuba khona ama instructions specific ukuthi ufika ngesikhathi eso, uhamba ngesikhathi eso, uphathe ini, ungaphathi ini, because now sekwenziwa syllabus yokuthi mawuye emanzini kumele uphathe amakhandlela, kumele uze namacoin and stuff like that. Some of us mabefika emanzini abaphathi amacoin and stuff, but kumele uphathe something that below that comes from the land, that is a rich of the land, uye nayo emanzini ukuyobonisa ukuthi uyacela ngomcebo, lahlela umcebo, ucela ukuthi umcebo uphinde ubuye futhi wandile, like amabhontshisi, impuphu, amabele, stuff like that, flour.
Oh, I read somewhere this other gentleman was saying yena uma futhi ngeke interview umkhwanazi saying yena uma emanzini uphositshe So now listening to you, ukuthi into yasemhlabeni,
Yasem-
konke lasemhlabeni,
You understand? Something that eyigugu phezu komhlaba ufike ulahlele yona, then that's how you connect. And indlela omunye umuntu aconnecta ngakhona nalo moya lo, it's not the same way nami ngafike ngithi ngiyayisebenzisa. For me, I have this particular spirit. I have one of that part of the spirits, but mangia I don't angambisi amakhono and stuff like that. But I throw away flowers.
Okay, wow. I want us to close this Hosanna Spirit
Okay.
to go somewhere. But before that, so these spirits basically it can command darkness and light. The
Yeah,
Hosanna Spirit.
angithi mayumoya semanzi, that means it works using the duality of all total polarities.
Yeah.
It means ukuthi inokukhanya kwayo ngaphakathi at the
Okay.
same time inobumnyama bayo ngaphakathi.
Okay.
It depends wena ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani, because at the end of the day it's an alchemist energy spirit. So depend on ukuthi how do you harness its power.
Okay. So what is it that you can tell them? We're closing the Hosanna Spirit now. I just wanted to learn a few things which you did educate me about. So whatever word of wisdom, then we are moving into something interesting.
Darkness, it's not darkness as you see it. The light we serve draws power from the darkness we fear. So it is very important to be very fluid and ubona izinto ngenye indlela ehlukile. You see pathanani malithi ubumnyama babumbethe umhlaba, it doesn't mean ukuthi ubumnyama ezinakho umkhosi obumnyama. Ukhona umkhosi obumnyama, bukhona ubumnyama bona ngokwabo, but ubumnyama buNkulunkulu qobo lwakhe, or ubumnyama it's the divinity it's in itself. It's where we draw power. It's where all beautiful things that we see in the light come from. So, yeah.
No, I'm interested. You said kukhona umkhosi obumnyama.
Kukhona
kube khona
ubumnyama.
obumnyama.
Yes. I can explain that if you want.
That's what I want you to do.
Okay. Eqaleni wayekhona ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu. Ulizwi wayekuNkulunkulu. In the beginning there was the Word, and the Word was God, and the Word was with God. Entabeni yaseCalvary sibona ulizwi owayekuNkulunkulu ebethelwa, uyamemeza uthi eli lamasabakathane, umemeza ulizwi onguNkulunkulu ngoba yena ungulizwi owayekuNkulunkulu. Now when it said wathi let it be light, akusho ukuthi wakhanda ukukhanya, but ukukhanya kwaphuma phakathi kobumnyama bazimela kona ngokwabo. Ubumnyama basala bobumnyama. It means ukuthi kwahlukana uyise nendodana. uJesu waba ukhanya, uyise wasala elobumnyama lapho wayehleli khona vele.
So uNkulunkulu
The darkness in itself, it's God.
So uNkulunkulu ubumnyama.
The darkness in itself, it's divinity. The darkness in itself, it's God. That's where ngikuhlukanisela ngithi kukhona umkhosi obumnyama, kukhona ubumnyama.
Wow.
Umkhosi obumnyama nobumnyama akufani.
So lo uNkulunkulu esimkhonza umnyama.
But then ucabanga ukuthi why when you have to grow and to see beautiful things you have to go through pain. Ucabanga ukuthi why isibeletho sizalwe kumnyameni but sizalwe ekhanyeni but sibuye kumnyameni. Ucabanga ukuthi why when we have to learn lessons that are meant to grow us empilweni, we have to go through karmic lessons. Why can't we go through good lessons? Yonke into ibe right but still you are learning the lessons, but you need the pain that is going to give birth to the light.
Wow. So God is dark and then Jesus is light. Thank you. Thank you so much. Smart, because now I want to take you back. There's an episode we did. You spoke about more than 61 sexualities.
Okay.
Can you go deeper and explain to me? Because this thing has been chowing me. Like, I'm like, this one, because like, you know me.
Okay.
Yeah. As I sip my tea.
Okay, I wouldn't count all of them because
You don't need to count all of them, but
Yeah.
you can just explain.
Yeah, sexualities are vary. They vary maningi ngendlela emangazayo. People, they only know the LGBTQI community, which is yithi. Kodwa bathi singene ibhavu ngiyadlala.
Stop it. I like it. Yeah.
Which is bazi thina. You'd find people that are transgender. You'd find people, okay, the transgender ones are the ones that are transitioning.
Let's leave the gay people because
Sure.
those one they know them. The
But
one
as
that
well,
we don't know, yes.
There is asexual people, people that do not experience any form of attraction at all. They don't experience that. You find people that are polyamorous. Polyamorous is also a sexuality, but in itself now that one is it's kind of in the physical part of it. It's whereby I date you as a partner, and then there's utulane. Then the three of us are in a trinity relationship. If you are not around, I can be able to be with my partner utulane. Same applies to now we're so it's a trinity. Also, it's tembo. It's a sexuality because it's a polygamy. It's a polygamous. It's also part of the sexualities. Then you find people that I don't know what's the name of the sexuality, but they are attracted to chubby guys. People that are kind of buff and stuff.
So
like that.
that's sexuality
Yeah, it's a
as well.
sexuality. They call them bear.
But we say why we sexuality because normally in order and about about 4 or about 3. And these women they don't tap. It's only the men that tap.
We call them sexual preference. What do you prefer?
Okay. But why it's only favoring the men?
Esithembini, angithi uyasikhetha ukuthi wena usifuna kanjani sakho.
Okay, sis. Let's go here. There's another question I have for you. Last time you said being gay, lesbian is a concept of marine spirit.
Yeah.
Can you go deeper there?
Imimoya yasemanzini it's very fluid. 1, 2. Marine spirits are actually the ones that are controlling the algorithm of the universe.
Okay.
How things they transpire emhlabeni. Masizalwa, there's something people they always say which is sizalwa umhlaba. That's why they call Mother Earth and all of that. Yes, I would slightly agree, but I don't.
Okay.
Sizalwa amanzi, sikhuliswa umhlaba. That is why uma uzalwa kuphuma amanzi kuqala abikela umhlaba ukuthi khona ozayo. Then umhlaba kube wena okukhulisayo, everything oyidingayo imvelo, the energy, ukudla, everything ivela phezulu kuphi emhlabeni. But still njengoba sizalwa umhlaba. Now you remember one spoke about numerology. That is the reason why when we do your reading osifuna ukwazi ngophathanani, we use your date of birth because numbers are the language that is spoken by the marine spirits. So the marine spirits are actually the ones that are, if we do your reading, are actually the ones that are going to tell us ukuthi, what is your destiny? Uzeleni, ubani, uphathanani. Basically, the marine spirits is iphethe ifile yakho yonke yempilo ukuthi uzeleni and kwenzakalani and what kind of a personality and a character you have. So they have a very huge influence into making the humankind diverse. As much as there's a man and a female, the black and the white, there has to be the fluidity side of it. There has to be the rainbow that it makes ukuthi lethule kube khona ibalance ekhona phezulu komhlaba. Someone once said, we are the closest people to God. And I didn't understand that.
Who are the closest people to God?
Us.
Like people or LGBT? Or gays and lesbians? Okay.
Yes. Someone said, we are the closest people to God. I didn't understand it, kanjalo, but then I got to realize ukuthi majority of us, 90% of the LGBTI community, we are spiritually gifted. Kurre ukuthola umuntu who's not gay, who's gay and not spiritually gifted. And ngisho nalabo abacabanga ukuthi abekho gifted, they are actually gifted. It's just that ama-gifts aba wasebenza ngokuthi aze afune ukuthi umuntu ayothwasa and something like that. Here's the thing Phathana zokufundisa yena. Khona uphathanani as a higher self, ne? Then khona uphathanani as a physical self. Labo phathanani laba bayi-2 baphila emzimbeni oyi-1. Njengoba uphathanani so. The higher self, Phathanani, knows the truth about who you are. The physical Phathanani, it is created according to the archetypes, like iskolo. You know your dislikes and likes, ukuthi ngithanda nangithandi ini. But when you ask Phathanani, Phathanani, why are you gay? And then Pathanani, I was born this way. Akuphenduli lo Pathanani lo, the higher
higher
self.
self, yes.
Kuphendula the physical
physical
Pathanani.
one, yes.
Because akazi ngempela vele ukuthi why was he born gay. Uzithole naye sekagay, ubone naye ukuthi ugay. But if I'm going to ask you why you're gay, then you tell me I was born this way, then you don't know who you are. You must stop telling people that we ask ubani. You don't. Because as you walk the journey of life, these two baqala ba-aligna benza kanje, then the higher self Pathanani uxoxela lo ukuthi mina ngizokutshela ukuthi ubani. Then that is when now you can say I understand myself ukuthi ngubani. And this one was aligning a law. It calls for one to embark on a spiritual journey of alignment.
So there's a possibility ukuthi the Pathanani that he thinks he's gay is not gay.
No, you are gay, but it's just that you don't know why you're gay.
Okay.
This one holds the reason. Uyazi uzokutshela ukuthi this is the reason why you're gay.
I wonder what reason.
No,
I'm laughing at what you
understand?
you teaching
So
me.
if you are in this one doesn't know, but he's experiencing all of it. He hasn't and stuff like that. But for you to combine with this one, you have to embark on a spiritual journey. Then niyakwazi combine. Kunabantu who are gay, abathwasile, but they were not supposed to actually twasa. They were embarking on a journey of self-awakening, of understanding ukuthi kahle kahle, why am I like this?
So it's the same thing with nalaba abahambe beyothwasa bengasinga ama-gay, then sebuya
Ebuya.
kusho ukuthi
I know ukuthi bekangekho gay, gay, but it's just that the journey, it forced him to come out. It forced him to self-accept ukuthi ungubani. Then umesebuya, then ubuya seka iloyo muntu loyo yena, because why? There's an alignment. Ekhona.
my munchies and the Thoughts family, I hope you are enjoying this episode. It's always nice to have Smart Makhosi, and I want to say something before we you give your word of wisdom. We close the show.
Yes.
You know, there's a gentleman that is flying back to Durban, so I need to give him a chance. To everyone, guys, ngiyacela ukuthi sithandaneni, ngiyacela ukuthi sibambaneni, ngiyacela ukuthi sibekezelaneni. Yazi, there's something that is out there on social media about LGBTQI community, and iyathusa kakhulu ibuhlungu because uma uyibheka umuntu inzondo leya. Inzondo, and inzondo embi. La South Africa sinikezwe inkululeko, and I think kumele si-understand ukuthi inkululeko kahle kahle yini.
True.
Uma sizothi umuntu makayenza into yakhe sibe nenkinga naleyo, kusho ukuthi asikafiki kwi-freedom
And esicindezelana sodwa.
and esiqindelana sodwa. So honestly, asithandaneni, sibekezelaneni bamantshisi wami, ngiyacela ngoba kunabantwana abasakhula, kunabantwana abanye bethu, as much as we are gays, we've got kids that we are raising. Mabebona izinto ezinje, I don't know. Anyway, your word of wisdom.
Pathanani, the whole entire passion we have, yokufundisa, and giving us such a big platform, it is not because of usizama ukuqola abantu, but it is because we're trying to awaken people. Ngoba abantu sebaqolwe kaningi. So thank you so much to you and the Munches themselves that are making sure that they are sharing, they are liking, and they are gifting, and they are also showing the love. Even if behlangana nawe estradeni, even if behlangana nathi, they are still showing the love. Ukuthi Makhosi sikhulile, kudala sidlala, and all of that. And thank you to those people, siyabonga kakhulu, and thank you to those ones who stand by our side when people are bashing, bebona ukuthi sibaphuca iphalishi emlonyeni wabo. But the whole main purpose of doing this, sizovusa isizwe, sizophakamisa abantu free of charge. So thank you so much, siyabonga.
Thank you so much, Smart Makhosi. On that note, it's a wrap, and goodbye.
It's it, darling.